Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, welcome. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that each time I post a video, you'll be the first to be notified. So today's video is going to be about how I style my fro curls. Yes. So if you have a fro curl, you know that it can be very hot. It's not heavy, but sometimes just like get really hot when you're in certain parts of the world, especially in Ghana, you know. So today I'm here to show you a couple of ways you can rock them this Christmas. So if you want to see how I style this differently, stay tuned. Okay guys, so the first style is the side part. Yes. So before you start rolling your eyes, hear me out. I feel like all those side parts are like one of the older styles. They are so chic, so elegant, and so simple. I just had to put it first. Anyway, moving on to look number 2. So with this look, all you have to do is twist both sides just like I'm doing and then pin it down, and voila. You can either twist it or braid it. If not for the fact that my braiding is not good and I was in no mood to embarrass myself, I would have braided it because I feel like that look is more elegant than what I'm doing. But anyway, if you're like me and you're not very good at braiding, simply twist it and pin it down. And there you go. Princess Tara, Princess Shingo, Moana, or whoever you want to be. So throughout this look, there'll be a couple of products that I'll be using. Some of them are the Cantu curler, the ORS olive hair mousse, a comb, some pins, and of course water. So with this look, I was going in for the side up, side down look. So I just took a bit of the top part of my hair and then made it into a pony. So you can take this look a bit further by simply rolling it into a bun. Yes, konongo kaya. Yeah, be serious. You can simply roll this hair and then carry it so beautifully by just pinning it, or you can add an elastic band to make it firmer. And there you go. So moving on to look number 5. With this look, all you have to do is simply tuck your hair behind your ear. But if you have trust issues and you want to go a bit further, you can get a scarf and simply tie it nicely. This look is perfect for days where you don't want to lay your frontal or you just want to do something different, you know? You can take this look a bit further by simply pushing the scarf back. And there you go, a sleek, beautiful, low bun ponytail. But if you don't want people to see the scarf, you can also use a thread or anything that is like not so visible. Here I'm just going with the ORS mousse to lay down my hair. You can use any kind of mousse. I just use this one because it's the easiest to find. So with this one, I was actually going for a low ponytail. Unfortunately, my hair is not a 360 frontal. So with this kind of hair, you might have to pin the back of the hair down to make sure that it's not so obvious that it's a wig. And mind you, I'm going in for a low ponytail and not a high one because I don't need the embarrassment. Okay, so after you've like held your hair, you can tuck a bit of the hair underneath the wig to make sure that it looks all natural. And I highly recommend that you pin your wig, okay? Mira will not be blamed if you go out and embarrass yourself. Look, although this looks very easy, this whole video took me 3 hours to make. Oh my god, it was so hectic. I pray that when it's time for you to do yours, it doesn't take this long. Anyway, just use like a bit of the Cantu curling product. I'll list it in the description box below. bit further by just tying it behind your back or just leaving it like that. This is a bonus look, by the way. I'm so in love with this hair, just in case you've not noticed. All I used on this hair was water and a bit of the Cantu curler, and look how beautiful and shiny and bright and healthy it looks. I'm jealous of myself right now. So you can also take this a bit further by creating a low bun. You can add some accessories, you know, play with the hair. It's yours, you bought it, you know, experiment, sweetie. So do you ever just like create a style in your head, you know, like that moment where you create something in your head and it looks so perfect in your head, and then you try to establish it and it's just complete trash? This was me, okay, you guys. This was supposed to be your bonus look. After sitting down and planning how I was going to do this hair, I started doing it and I realized that I had no plan. Okay, yeah, we're tired right now, we're tired, we're trying it. Okay, we're doing it again. Okay, maybe it'll work. Yeah, just tuck it in there, Mira. Tuck it in, push it all in. No, I agree, absolutely not. What are you doing? No. Oh, come on, girl. What? No. Okay, let's try this. Maybe it'll work. You kind of look cute though. No, that's not bad. No. What is this? No, would you rock this anywhere? Girl, no. Yeah, I agree. Bye. Hey guys, so here you go. Beautiful styles for beautiful people. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do not forget to subscribe. It's important, sweetheart. Subscribe, okay? You'll be back, so please subscribe, okay? Until next week, bye.